Good day everyone, this is Ma'am Adoko. On this tutorial video, I will be discussing about percentage, ratio, and proportion. For the start, I will be discussing about base, rate, and percentage. Our lesson objectives are identify and define base, rate, and percentage, explain the relationship between base, rate, and percentage, and lastly, solve for the base, rate, and percentage. I have written on the board the different terms for your easy reference. Base refers to the number of which a certain of hundreds is taken. It is preceded by the word of, as much as large as many as, and as great as. So you will know if it is a base because of the words of, as much as large as many as, and as great as. So base is also regarded as the whole. And then the rate. Rate refers to the numbers of hundreds taken. It is the results of comparing a number, like the percentage, which is regarded as the portion or part, to another number, like the base, which is regarded as the whole. So rate can be expressed as in percent, decimal, or fraction. Percentage. Okay, so we know that base is regarded as the whole. Percentage is the part of the whole. It is the results obtained when the rate is applied to the base. It is expressed in the same units as the base. That is, if the base is in pieces, the percentage is in pieces. So percentage is never expressed in percent. Okay, like example, we have a whole pizza which is divided into 8 portions or 8 parts. Okay, so the 8 portions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, represents the base. So we have 8 parts or 8 portions. And then we take 2 portions or 2 parts as the percentage of the base. So the percentage is 2. Okay, so the rate will be, so what will be the rate? The rate will be 2 eighths. Okay, so out of the 8 portions, so we remove 2. So rate will be equals to part over base. Okay, to show the relationship between the base, rate, and percentage, we have this basic formula. Percentage equals base times rate. Finding percentage. So to find the percentage, we need to use the basic formula, which is P equals B multiplied by R. So P is the percentage, B is the base, and R is the rate. And it would be easier, guys, if we convert the rate to percent, fraction, or decimal. We have here an example. 50% of 24 is what? So the problem is asking for the percentage. So we need to determine which is the rate and which is the base. So we can see clearly from the problem that the rate is the 50%, and then easy we can determine the base because of this word of. Okay, so the base is 24, and then we just use our basic formula. P equals base multiplied by the rate. Okay, so base is 24 multiplied by 50%. Okay, so it will be, percentage will be 12. So this is our answer. Okay, so we have second problem here. What is 3/8 as large as 800? Okay, so we need to determine first the rate and the base. So our rate is, here is 3/8. Okay, and then our base is 800. Okay, so always remember that the base, okay, because of the words as large as 800, so we know that the base represents whole. Okay, so the problem is asking the percentage, or what part of 800 is 3/8. Okay, so we just use the basic formula, which is the percentage equals base multiplied by rate. Okay, so 800, okay, times 3/8. Okay, so 3/8 you can divide by 3 by 8, so it will come out with 0.375, then multiply it to 800. Okay, so the answer will be, the percentage is 300. Okay, so out of 800, okay, so the 3/8 represents 300 out of 800. Okay, so always remember, guys, that the base is always preceded by the word of as large as.